The International American University, in conjunction with the Ministry of Health, observed World Blood Donor Day, which is held annually on June 14th. The institution for the past 4 years has played a pivotal role in organizing such activity. Dr. Alric Sohn says the exercise was a huge success.
It is looking great so far. Actually, there are more people waiting to donate blood outside rather than the other way around. So if you ask me, that's definitely a sign of success, and there are more people who have agreed to come up later in the day.
Dr. Sohn says this is part of the social responsibility to give back to the community.
What they do is emphasize the importance of donating blood within communities and countries, and preparing us and bringing us to focus a little on our social responsibilities as healthcare practitioners or as general public as well.
Tell us about IAU's contribution to the activity.
So International American University College of Medicine, Vieux Fort, has a big focus on being part of the community and contributing to the community. And this is a great opportunity for us to bring not only the students to contribute, but also to raise awareness of the importance of blood donation in the community at Vieux Fort, which is why we have decided to, along with the Ministry of Health, to organize this event.
A record 63 units of blood was donated. The International American University was established here in 2004. Desmond Collymore, HTS News, Channel 4.